Alright, so the wife's car needs an oil pressure sending unit, and I'll have to do intake gaskets while I'm in there. My Buick needs intake gasket and a new air compressor for the suspension. I ordered a bunch of stuff off of Amazon. I usually thought these videos were kind of silly, but let's do an unboxing video, see what you guys think of it. I got more stuff coming too. The Buick's also getting dual exhaust. Huh? I also got some stuff for the Bronco. Oh, like this. Rust cutter, so I can spray it on the frame before I put the new gas tank in.
3 years ago.
Nice. But I'll spray this on the frame after I clean the frame off, spray this on the frame, clean it up. Then after this is done, I'll prime it and bed line it. Let's see what's in here. I really wanted to order new tires for my Chevy, but instead I ordered stuff for my car and my wife's car. More stuff for the Bronco. These are the fuel tank straps. They go on top of the tank. Get a new razor in that razor knife, it's gold. Oh. Digital borescope camera. It's got 2 cameras and 2 lights on it, built-in screen. If you want another video on that, just comment and I'll make a video about it.
Now I don't know what to get you for Father's Day.
A radio adapter for my Buick for when I find the head unit I want for music. Oil pressure sensor for my wife's car. Fuel hose for the Bronco. Aw, the nozzle's missing. I really need the nozzle for this. That sucks. Well, RTV silicone gasket maker. One last box. There's more stuff coming that'll be here in the next 2 to 7 days. Oh yeah! I've never used this before. One of the turbo cans of Rust-Oleum. I got that to do the frame on the Bronco. See how it works. Never done it, but I'm sure I'll have a video about it. Thanks for watching. That's about it.